Hello, today I have Volvo XC with a message book time for maintenance, and I'm gonna show you how to reset without diagnostic tool. You can do it yourself. First of all, you need a key. Put key in the ignition. Push this button one time. Now you have locate this button and press together and hold it. Press, hold it. When you see blinking information light, then release. Now we can check if everything okay. No more message. So you can do it yourself. Thanks for watching.